How Earth was formed. The amazing story of our planet. Hey kids! Have you ever wondered how our beautiful Earth was created? Was it always here? Or did something amazing happen billions of years ago? Let's travel back in time to discover the incredible story of how Earth was born. Let's travel from a giant cloud to our solar system, a long, incredible journey. Long, long ago, space looked almost empty, but it wasn't truly nothing. There were tiny bits of gas and dust floating around. Slowly, these tiny bits came together to form a huge cloud, called a nebula, like a giant fog in space. Something, like a nearby exploding star, disturbed this nebula. The cloud began to shrink and spin faster. As the center of the spinning cloud became tighter and hotter, it turned into a bright, glowing ball called a protostar. The protostar got hotter and hotter. Nuclear fusion started. The sun was born. Not all the dust went into the sun. The leftover dust and gas formed a flat spinning disk around it. Tiny particles stuck together made rocks, made bigger rocks, made planets. This process is called accretion. Over millions of years, these growing bodies became the planets we know today. Rocky planets, like Earth, Mars, formed closer to the Sun. Gas giants, like Jupiter, Saturn, formed farther away. All of this together became our solar system. According to the scientists, at that time, there was another small planet called Theia. It was about the size of Mars. It was moving around the Sun, just like Earth. One day, Theia crashed into Earth in a huge collision. Pieces from both Earth and Theia flew into space. These pieces slowly came together and formed our moon. So, scientists believe the moon was created because of this giant impact between Earth and Theia. After the collision, Earth became bigger and stronger. It stayed very hot for a long time. How land and oceans were formed on Earth. Earth has been a lava world, an ice world, and now a living world. As it slowly cooled, water vapor in the air condensed and fell as rain for millions of years. This rain filled low areas on Earth, forming the first oceans. Later, the Earth's surface kept cooling and hardening. Slowly, pieces of solid crust rose above the water. This became the first land, continents. Over millions of years, different types of plants and trees began to emerge on land. Life slowly changed and improved. Some tiny life became simple animals. First animals lived in water, like fish, soft sea creatures. Later some animals slowly moved on to land. They changed to survive on land. Now we had insects, amphibians, early reptiles. After a very long time, dinosaurs appeared. They were reptiles. Some were huge, some were small. They ruled Earth for millions of years. The Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event happened about 66 million years ago. A giant space rock, asteroid, hit Earth. This made huge fires and sent dust into the sky, blocking sunlight. The Earth became cold and dark. Plants couldn't grow, and animals that depended on them had no food. Because of this, many animals, including the dinosaurs, disappeared. Due to dust and harmful gases in the atmosphere, it started raining again on Earth. The Earth cooled down and became covered with ice. But this time, the Earth's ice did not freeze for millions of years. After 80 to 90,000 years, as soon as the Earth's atmosphere began to return to normal. At that time Earth's ice had begun to melt, due to which there used to be cold forests in Africa. Meanwhile these terrestrial creatures, they evolved into monkeys. But slowly the earth began to warm again. The forests of Africa began to dry out. The monkeys who eat forest food began to lack food. In search of food, these monkeys began to walk on their feet, which helped them to hunt other animals. Gradually, the monkeys evolved into apes or vultures. In search of food, these apes began to spread to the parts of the earth, and their body color gradually changed according to the local climate. With work, we became tribal. We invented weapons, and now we gradually evolved into humans. We developed religions, family, languages, and culture. Over time, we continued to evolve. And today we have become the most developed species on Earth. From dust and space to the beautiful planet we live on today, Earth is truly special. Our planet has an incredible story, and there's so much more to discover. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in the next adventure. Thanks for watching.